Today, we are going to install the Arduino IDE software. Before we move on, don't forget to check out Tutorial 1 and Tutorial 2 on our website. The link is in the description. Open your browser and type Arduino in the search bar and then press enter. Click on the software link. Now scroll down to the download options and click on Windows 10 and newer. For those using Windows 7 or above, I will explain the steps for you right after this. Now scroll down and click on Just Download. Click again on Just Download. And the software will start downloading. Now, for Windows 7 and above users, scroll down further and you'll find Arduino 1.8.19. Click on Win 7 and newer to download it. Then click on Just Download and again click on Just Download. Your software will start downloading. Now, let's install the software. Go to your Downloads folder. For the Windows 10 or newer version software, double-click the installer, click I agree, and allow all the permissions it asks for. Congratulations! Arduino is now installed. For Windows 7 users, open the Arduino 1.8.19 file, allow the necessary permissions, and follow the installation steps. Install all the device software it asks for. Congratulations! Your software is installed successfully. So we've learned how to install the Arduino IDE. In the next video, we're going to start working with the microcontroller. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below.